Hello viewers, today I am going to tell you very important thing about lemon. A lemon in your bedroom for several days will save your life and maybe you did not know it. Viewers, negative and positive energy is out there, and for as much as we refuse to believe it, they can influence our lives significantly. If you don't believe in the spiritual world, paranormal appearances, and similar things, the effect that negative or positive energy can have on our health, mood, and well being are undeniable. In today's article, we would like to focus on how this energy, more specifically the bad vibes surrounding you, can influence your life and how to eliminate them and prevent their influence. We have all used lemons and we know how health beneficial this tropical fruit is. It's rich in essential vitamins and minerals that can help us defeat even the most stubborn diseases and conditions. But did you know that lemons can also help you ward off negative energy? Lemons have helped many people transform their lives and achieve physical and mental well-being. Lemon and salt. Take one fresh lemon and cut it into 4 slices. Place ground salt in each slice and put them back together, making sure the salt stays inside the lemon. Put it in the entrance of your home and leave it there. This will help you stop negative vibes and energy from entering your house and spread in your home. Whenever a person with negative energy approaches your doorstep, the lemon will absorb it and eliminate it completely. Once you start using this trick, you will notice significant improvements. You must repeat this ritual for 3 days in a row for best effect. You will feel much more positive, fulfilled, and blissful. Travel with lemons. Aside from preventing the bad vibes from entering your home, lemons can help you protect yourself from this negative energy outside as well. Just place a lemon in your jacket pocket and take it with you whenever you go. Once it dries off, to throw it and take a fresh one. You will notice the lemon will start drying quickly. That's because we encounter a lot of negative energy everywhere we go, and the lemon absorbs it and dries off from within much faster than usual. Lemon juice. You can also use lemon juice to protect yourself from negative energy. Combine some lemon juice with some water and clean your accessories, amulets, and jewelry with this mixture. The lemon juice will cleanse your belongings from the bad vibes, negative charges, and help you achieve well-being. Energy boost. Lemons help you achieve energy, prosperity, peace, and abundance. Many people believe this citrus fruit to be a fruit of good, which comes from the element of water. As you have probably noticed from the everything mentioned above, lemons can help you improve your life spiritually, ward off negative vibes, and eliminate the negative energy from your home. Start using it as of right now and take advantage of all of its benefits. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for daily new videos.